Assalamu alaikum and good morning, my dear cute little students. So my dear students, as you know that we have started our maths book, and in our first lesson we have seen a very interesting thing. And what was that? Can you recall? Yes, we have learned the primary colors. And can anybody tell me what are the primary colors? Yes, these three colors on your screen are the primary colors, which are yellow, blue and red. Now my dear students, it's the time for our next lesson, and the next concept which we are going to do is a very important concept of maths because it is about comparison. What is comparison? Comparison is when we have two things and we see how different they are from each other. So the comparison which we are going to do today is, we are going to see when we have two things, which one is big and which one is small. What do you mean by big? Which is big in shape, okay, which is bigger than the second one, and small, which is tiny, which is little. So we are going to compare the things regarding big and small. Okay, we are going to jump onto our book and let's see what the book is telling. So the page is saying big and small. This comparison is based on the size of objects. Yes, it is an appropriate word here, that big and small refers to the size of the object, any object or a person you can say. So here, can you see what is on the page? It's a very famous cartoon character, Masha, and her friend the bear. Okay, so we are going to compare them. Who is big? Yes, the bear is big and Masha is small. There are two boxes here as well, and here is the big box and here is the small box. Okay, a little question over here as well. Can you find something smaller than your hand? Oh my god, it's a riddle, an interesting one. Your hand is quite small, right? So can you find something which is smaller than your hand around you? Anything? It can be an eraser, it can be a sharpener. Yes, so these two things are smaller than your hand. Okay, so this was our lesson, and what is the activity related to it? We are going to see that. And the activity page says, put a tick for big objects and cross for small objects. Okay, so here are two objects, a car and a bike. You are going to tell me which is big. Car is big. So here you have to tick the big object and cross out the small one. And in the next place we have a jug and glass. You can easily distinguish which is big and which is small. Here, the next question is, we have two animals. Yes, we have two animals over here, a chick and a bee. So here the question is saying, color the small object in blue and the big one in red. So you are supposed to color them according to their size. The bigger one is a chick. You have to color it in red. And the small is bee, so you have to color in blue. So my dear students, this was our today's lesson, in which we have compared the sizes of objects, things around us and some living things as well, and we have seen which is big and which is small. I hope you have understood the concept. So I am going to meet you again with another concept. Till then, take a good care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.